Hello children, welcome back to our fun learning time. Today we are going to learn about different types of bags. See, there are many bags and you saw these bags, right? Do you know how many kinds of bags we use every day? Let's explore them together in a fun and easy way. Look carefully and learn new words because each bag is having one name. Not all the bags are same and you can't call them as bag. They are having one name. To show you the bag and bag name, then I am going to pause. You are going to shadow me, means repeat after me. Now see, the first bag is called backpack. Backpack. Okay? So backpack means a bag carried on the back, like your school bag. Okay? Now the second one, what is this? It says handbag. Handbag. A small bag carried by hand only. Carried by hand. Okay, now the third one, travel bag. What is this? Travel bag. A bag for trips. You are taking this while you are going to your native or you are going somewhere. So this is called travel bag. Yes, you did it. Now what is this? It's a suitcase. What is this? It's a suitcase. A large bag for travel with wheels. That's why this is called suitcase. Now, what is this? A large open bag with handles. So, this is called its tote bag. Tote bag. Now, what is this? It's not a bag. So, its name is duffel bag. Pronounce it duffel bag. Okay. Now what is this? This is called a sling bag. Sling bag means a small bag worn across the body. Now what is this? It's a messenger bag. A bag worn over one shoulder. That is called messenger bag. Now what is this? This is called a purse, a small bag for money only. Purse. Now, what is this? It's a wallet, a small flat case for money or cards. That is called wallet. Now, what is this? It's a clutch. Clutch. What is this? It's a laptop bag. A bag for carrying a laptop. So it's a. Now, what is this? It's a gym bag. What is this? Gym bag. It's written here, gym. Now, what is this? It's a shopping bag. It's a shopping bag. Why? A bag used to carry goods from shops. So you can carry this while going to shop. Don't use plastics. You can carry this kind of bags. So this is called shopping bag. Okay. Now children, different types of bags, right? Now, can you name your favorite bag? Can you name it? And comment me? Okay. So tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Keep learning, keep smiling.